guys ready for the storm?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm bringing this just in case it's downpours and not all of our stuff gets soaked.
That's true. We're probably gonna be thankful that Tiffany is prepared.
And Amy's not.
Excuse me, that's the umbrella for our room.
Oh, I mean, mine.
Our room.
I don't know if it's big enough.
Day 5. Trying to get some sun. But it's looking a little, it's looking a little dark. So, let's see. We just did a live on Tiffany's Facebook.
And now we're probably gonna go get more drinks and do a live video of us trying the last 8 drinks, but we'll still put it in our post.
Not sure if the bar is open, but we're walking over there right now. And my feet still hurt like crazy. Every step I take.
Every step
hurts. Does yours still hurt?
No.
Mine hurt my shins. They kill me. See if the bar is open. We have 8 drinks left to try. So one day we can finally be out here in the sun. Good job, Tiffany.
Okay. At least we're here. I'd rather be here raining than at Michigan raining.
Yeah.
And I talked to the guys at the bar and they said that tomorrow it should be sunny.
It better be. But at least we're out here. I mean, I'm having fun even though it's raining. Are you having fun?
I am.
Sitting out here having some drinks. We just finished the drink video. So
Yes.
make sure you watch it whenever it's posted because it shouldn't. I don't know when I'm posting it. Maybe it's already up, maybe it's not. I have no idea. This thing that we're sitting on is already soaking wet from the rain this morning. So it's cold. My butt's not wet.
Rain, rain, go away. Alright, talk to you guys later.
It just started pouring out.
Made it back to our room.
Tiffany's dry because she had an umbrella. And I look like a drowned rat. I'm soaking wet. And I have goosebumps on my legs. Got room service yet again. Burgers. What are these? Steak quesadilla. And a brownie. Yum. Oh, it smells so good. Literally napped all day because it's had a downpouring on us.
I'm covering my boobs. Because it's not buttoned.
Oh, yeah, we can't get Tiffany's dress buttoned.
No. So I'm gonna go for another one.
We're getting ready for dinner. We have reservations. What time are our reservations? 8:30.
8:30.
At the Mexican restaurant. She's finally dressed.
Barely. I mean.
Shrimp tacos. What did you get?
Something beef.
Tiffany is eating a poop-filled corn husk.
My poop vlog. Times 2.
She's eating a poop.
Ooh, it's hot too.
It's pouring again.
It's raining.
We're trying to walk under one umbrella.
One umbrella. I have my arm around.
Uh-oh. We gotta hurry because there's someone coming behind us.
I literally have a hold of Amy by her.
My flip-flops are so slippery. Oh wait, we're good. They're not behind us anymore.
Oh.
Oh my god, my flip-flops are so slippery and this ground is slippery. You probably can't see us anymore, but
No.
we're here.
We're here and Tiffany's drunk.
And I'm walking like I'm drunk.
Well, I'm not drunk. I'm just buzzed. I'm feeling good.
Oh, I'm silly. I'm glad you were holding on to me because I would have fell.
Yeah. Tiffany to the rescue again. Oh, it's alright. That's what I'm here for.
I know why I'm still wearing my mask.
I have no idea either.
Just keeping my face warm. Because you know it's so fucking warm here in Mexico.
Oh my god, so I blew up.
Haven't be hashtag this Friday I in swap.
I can't help it. I can't. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying.
Oh shit. Oh my god, Tiffany.
Oh my god. Everything is spinning right now. That's not good.
We're reading Tiffany's text from tonight. Feeling good. Ha. We DRUVNK. Someone take my phone away. Can't be drinking and being on social media. What kind of trouble can I get in? Tiffany's laughing at me. How rude. My flip-flop is disgusting. There's fucking hair stuck to it. Fucking boobs. I tried. The last 8 drinks of the last drinks of the drink video.
That's what you're here now. I'm gonna make you.
Getting better. Not the worst, but I'm not very good. But I'm getting better.
let's not talk about Tiffany's GoPro skills.
Oh yeah, I'm much better at vlogging than Tiffany is at using her GoPro.
GoPro sponsor me.
And have drinks that I could totally see your
Mine?
I see right up your dress.
I'm trying to be ladylike.
Oh my, you ain't lit. Don't sit like that at the restaurant.
I'm putting shoes on.